Okay, welcome sa aking Portswigger Academy video series, no? So, dito sa video series to, ang balak ko gawin is isosolve natin yung karamihan ng mga apprentice at practitioner labs ng Portswigger Academy. Pero bago yon, a little bit of background lang sa Portswigger. As you know, Portswigger sila yung gumawa ng Burp Suite. No? So, Burp Suite, ito yung ginagamit natin na tool or main tool nating mga web app penetration testers kapag ka nagko-conduct ng web application security testing. No? So, meron silang certification na Burp Suite Certified Practitioner or BSCP na kung saan kailangan natin i-solve yung most ng mga apprentice and practitioner labs para ma-take natin yung BSCP. Okay? So in the following videos, as I've said earlier, iisa-isahin natin yung mga apprentice and practitioner labs ng Portswigger and i-explain ko each and every one kung paano sila na-solve and bakit ganun yung solution. Okay? So see you in the following videos.